Arrive in style with this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include AC, passenger vanity mirror, tow hooks, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, vinyl seats, and front reading lamps. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.